With the Spring 20 release, marketers will have the expanded ability to create snippets to use in Pardot email, email templates, forms, and landing pages, regardless of campaign association to those assets. The new Pardot Snippets feature enhancements include 3 key updates. First, you'll notice a new assignment type for snippets known as Business Unit. Secondly, you now have a singular related list on snippet records that shows both campaign and business assignments. And, finally, you now have the ability to assign one snippet across several business units. As marketers, it is often the case where you find information you'd like to include across all your marketing content. And in the past, it would probably take hours upon hours to painstakingly update each and every one of your assets for things like logos, footers, disclaimers, and copyright dates. Snippets assigned to Pardot business units are designed to alleviate the manual overhead of these updates by using one snippet across all assets and making the updates at the snippet level to have it cascade wherever it is used. To understand how snippets are going to make marketers more productive, let's take a look at the existing snippet records. On the Related tab is where the enhancements are surfaced. The Assignments Related list has a new column to provide context as to what association the snippet has, campaign or business. And we can see that the snippet is assigned to both the US and the European business unit. This is great because each business unit has the same copyright date. But just like campaign snippets, it is also possible to assign a snippet to only one business unit. For example, while these BUs share a copyright date, they have different legal disclaimers. To solve that need, I'd simply create 2 different snippets for the legal disclaimers and assign the specific snippet to each business. Removing an assignment will disable the snippet for the related business unit. Now that my business snippet is created, let's update it on a landing page to maintain styling. Because this marketing team is super savvy, they've already opted into Handlebars Merge Language, or HML. With the January Pardot release, HML is available on forms and landing pages, and as a result, the marketing team is able to put the copyright date on their landing pages. The first step is updating the landing page, so let's go ahead and edit this landing page. To add the snippet to this landing page, all we need to do is open the HML picker and navigate to the Snippets tab. You'll note there's a new label here that says Business. If there were other snippets here assigned to the campaign, it would say Campaign. This is to help differentiate your snippets from one another now that there are multiple types. Once a snippet is in, I can go about editing the landing page as needed. But when we're all set, we'll need to preview the live link of the landing page to get an idea of how the snippet will render by confirming and saving the change, then clicking the URL of the landing page. When viewing the landing page online, we can see the snippet value has populated on the landing page. Super simple. The marketing team can now add this snippet wherever necessary. Next year, when it's time to update the copyright date, all they'll need to do is update the snippet value and have that change cascade across all the assets where it is used. If they acquire any new business units over the next year, they can also create assignments to those new BUs so that the snippet is available from the get-go on all their assets.